It's now 10:40 on Sunday, the 30th of August, and we're heading out of town. Rudy's feeling a bit obliged to continue riding, whereas I've decided enough's enough. I don't want to keep grinding my hip up and downhill, so he's actually going to stop riding, and they're going to drive up Passo Giau to a certain extent, and then he's going to do the Passo Stavlanza, which I did all in 2003 when everything was a whole lot better. But as you can see, Cortina down there, fantastic view, absolutely majestic. Quite a nice town too. Quick, quick. The boys are about to take off and do a bit of a ride. We'll follow their fortunes in a little while. Here comes David. Great pedalling action on his 34. Might just see him going up there. There he is up there. Ah, there he is. That's not Rudy. Jesus, some other guy. No swearing. Where Rudy and David are going. David's coming. He's way out in front. Absolute phenomenon. The way this guy's pedaling. I'm going to do a quick 360. There's Giorgio. Can't remember the name of that one. Now the next mountain is La Tofana, and as you can see, there's like a whole wall of dolomite mountain ridges. You can see from the way they've weathered, it's like I said before, it's like a marine sedimentary rock that's been faulted up, and you might just see the jet buzzing there in the background with a vapor trail, and there's the old furgon, the van, little Michele and Claudia, and rare to see a few horses. As you can see, we're on the top of Passo Giau, and there's the usual crowd of motorbikes everywhere. Motorbikes, place is full of it. Oh, nice Ducati over there. Called the San Lucia. I thought this was Passo Giau. This is the Passo Giau. I'll get a fix on the height. There were a couple of guys here just now from Cittadella, and one of them had an Antonello bike. Have a look at that. You can hear all the noise. Carry on. Look at it all. Oh God. Oh, these are nice looking Repsol here. What a view over there, wow. The descent would be great. Geez, you'd jump on the bike and go, eh? Here he is. maybe nearly 15 down, but and there he goes, Passo Giau, which is 2,236 meters. Well done, Rudy, you made it. We're going to do a quick 360 around here because this is the roof of the Dolomites according to Giorgio. Once you see what's around, oh, 360, it's incredible.
Get the blonde babe in.
Oh, there's one back there that looked pretty spiffy. Over there. But once you see what's over here, I'll just move over this way a bit. This is the descent they're going to do. I am so tempted to jump on my bike and go out with them, but the way my hip's feeling at the moment, I'm thinking, what's the point? I've had my fun. At least David only got ahead of me on some of the climbs without, you know, didn't quite leave me absolutely for dead, but the guy's riding without cycling shoes. He's got a 34 chain ring. He's incredibly light and must be so efficient on the pedals because, as I say, he's not using cycling shoes. He's got runners, and yet he just didn't even look as if he's fatigued, yet really sweating and sweated right over and breathing really heavily. So one's in real good condition and one's not, and physically he's okay. This is the Passo Giau. Hang on. I just want you to see. Look at this switchback. See the angle of it? This is one hard climb, and there's 23 switchbacks. This is Passo Giau from the other side. We've come from Cortina. This is Giau from this side. Be good downhill to do though. These huge motorbikes trying to corner. Wow. Look how wide he's got to go with that thing. Fantastic, but look at the scenery up there. Huh? Magnificent. Really good. One of the best climbs you could ever do. Giau. Here's Rudy on the Forcella Stavlanza. Here comes Rudy, he's on the Forcella Stavlanza with Giorgio guiding him. Look at the view. There he goes. This is a town called, would you believe, Don't, or D-O-N-T, Don't. Nice little fountain here. I'm enjoying my gelato, and I'll give you a quick pan around. All gone into a restaurant just up the road there, but you can see some nice rustic sort of buildings here. We're at about 900 and so meters above sea level. This is in the Cador region. You can see the Dolomites there in the background, and we'll head straight back that way. We'll go back to where the others are and join up with them. I'm perched on a guardrail, as you might see. This is a famous dam in Longarone. If you can hear me amongst the noise, there's a tunnel behind me. There's the water down there, and that's the dam. Now what happened is, that area there was a massive landslide. It raised the water level on that dam, and 2,500 people in the town down the river drowned. Suddenly they were all killed. The locals warned the engineers, but they didn't do anything about it. They wouldn't listen to them. I'll give you a view of the tunnel that we've been walking through. That gorge is 125 meters, or the dam wall is. That's the second minor accident I've had today. The tunnel is one way, and they stop the traffic and let the traffic go through in one direction, then you go through in the other direction. I just get a few more meters worth of walking around. Yeah. You can get another view. I'll just hold the camera over there. You can see it there. It gives you an idea of what's going on here.
Ooh, canyon.
Pretty spectacular, and that's the area that big landslide. All across there, pretty basic. Fill a tub full of water, put stuff in it, raises the level. Isn't that old Archimedes? Displacement? Yeah, wow.